Alright, good morning. That's it. Point number 1, loosen up your mind. And to do this, you have to think like you are already a pro. This alone shifts your energy drastically. And you'll be able to see some changes in your body language, like you will raise your eyebrows, hold your brush more loose, not at the tip, and you will wear a smile on your face like you are proud of yourself. Loose painting comes from confidence, even if it's fake. So it's like fake it till you make it. So before you start, tell yourself that you are the man. You know what you're doing. Well, it's okay to ruin a paper today than not being a man or a woman. Point number 2, step back. I mean physically step back. I cannot go back. You can push your table away from you. This means avoid details and look for bigger shapes. So this is where most people go wrong. They just go in and in. They just start painting eyelashes on trees and lose that bigger picture, the charm of a bigger picture as a whole. So stop looking for details and start looking for the bigger shapes, bigger shadows, bigger tree, land and sky. Whenever you are in front of your subject, squint your eyes and you'll see
light shapes, dark shapes, big shadow, big sky.
Good boy, folk. So loose watercolor is all about shapes, not details. Number 3, use a bigger brush. A small brush makes you think too much and a bigger brush forces you to simplify. So when you use a bigger brush, it's physically not possible to paint details. You always focus on the bigger shapes because you cannot paint small objects. Alright, try this.
Paint a subject of your choice first with a smaller brush and then with a bigger one. You will notice the one you did with a smaller brush looks patchy, static, something that has no life. And the one you did with a bigger brush will speak more volume and life. And trust me, you'll be surprised how fresh it looks.
Point number 4, one stroke rule. By the way, this one is powerful. So this is how it goes. So once you put down a stroke, you cannot go back to it again. Because if you keep going back to it, it dies. The freshness, the beauty, the sense of being alive is dead. Trust the first stroke, then the second one. By the way, this depends on your style as well. Like here you could see, some people
like to fill a blank space from left to right, some up down, and some do it with random strokes.
Point number 5, paint fast. But to paint fast, first you have to see it in your mind's eye. You have to see the final painting in your mind's eye with every single detail. Because whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Obviously, your mind will say, slow down, be careful, stop, or you will ruin it. But you have to ignore all these thoughts. So before even putting a brush on paper, decide with utmost precision what you're going to do. Like you see the shapes, you see the volume, and then you place the strokes. In loose painting, vision first, action second. Loose watercolor is not about being messy, but about being decisive.
Practice all these 6 points.
And tell me in the comment section below which one really changed your art the most. And point number 6? Yes, sir. Where is Folk? Folk?